Greetings all you cartoon car collectors that actually like Japanese mangas, because this is an RX7 with this itasha styled, meaning it has a bunch of graphics like cartoons on them. It's a thing. Those are real cars. It's actually a thing. Alright, so this thing is from 2006, and Haruhi Suzumiya is some sort of a Japanese book, cartoon, comic book. That's what I'm looking for. Yeah, there she is, apparently. Alright, well, I think this might be new. Nah, it's been taped a couple times, I think. It's used. Well, it doesn't bother me as long as it's in good shape. Okay, so it's a really heavy-duty box. And then it seems like the boxes can be snapped together. You know, this tab will go in there, or stacked up vertically. It's just a giant amount of plastic, though. Alright, I'll save that lid for a container, I guess. This will go into the trash, though. So unfortunately that sticker's fallen off, but it doesn't matter since I'm going to dump that. Okay. You know, I'm not gonna really compare it to too much here because it's so covered in graphics it's hard to see what's going on these vehicles. Yeah. Alright, it's an RX7 of some sort. Actually, it's not a standard RX7 because it's got these lights here, these little things. I think this is like a body kit RX7. It's got the Mazda logo on there, so that's nice. These are tampo printed, they're not decals. And then unfortunately there's no black paint in the grills or the vents, so that's too bad. I'm gonna have to add some there. These are chrome mesh wheels. I think I'll have to add some black paint to that as well. And maybe I'll take them off the motor and lower it. The front gap's pretty good, but the rear gap is not so great. Really, really tight panel lines. I mean, they're so thin. They're like hair thin, and that little dot as well. So very impressive. This is a nice metallic blue paint as well. It's very smooth, and the flake is so small. It almost might be painted silver and clear coated with a blue clear coat. That's what I'm thinking. The wing is a separate piece and tampo printed. And then the back we have the blacked out taillights, and they look pretty good. Just a black, exhaust tips there. And then I have no idea what that would be. I do see there's a little silver there, so I'm not sure why. It's like a... Whoa, I'm gonna zoom in. Maybe that's text. No, it's not. Alright, I was thinking it might be text. Alright, so bottom, smoked base, 2009, typical motor. Yeah, you can see, it's a smoked plastic that's painted blue. So it's really nicely painted. There's no denying that. And then these panel gaps are really, really tight. So pretty nice. Alright, well, let's compare it to a couple other models. So I actually have an Itasha RX7. This is made by Aoshima. But a different cartoon franchise, I believe. So here's the foreshortening angle. Alright. So I also have an itasha ChoroQ. This Subaru. I think it's a 2006 Subaru. I think these must be from the same collection. They have the same kind of sticker on the back. And also they also have this weird Haruhi-ism thing on there. But the character names are different. So this is Suzumiya something. I can't read the rest of it. And then this is, well, backwards. But anyways, they're different names. So possibly it's the same TV show and just different characters in the TV show. Not sure. But I'm definitely liking this RX-7 more because of the paint. It's such a cool paint job. This is just a regular red. So this has Hot Wheels Real Riders on it if you're curious. Those are not the standard wheels that came with it. Alright, I do have a couple of RX7s that are more normal. That's the initial D one, with 3D printed wheels, and this is just a normal RX7 with some like alloy wheels meant for Hot Wheels. Yeah, see how bright that blue is compared to all the other cars? So that's what's really doing it for me on this one. It might be like one of the nicest paint jobs. It's unfortunate that it's actually covered up by all these stickers, or well, cartoon tampo prints. Alright, well, interesting. Maybe I'll get some more of these little itasha ones. We'll have to see what time will tell. Okay, thanks for checking this out, and I'll see you the next time.